Welcome this video. Decoration your patio with pot plants. A complete gas. A well patio is more than just an outdoor standard of your home. It is our style space and you can relax entertainment or simple enjoyment. Fresh air. The right decoration can transforming a simple patio into a vibrant retreat and one of the most effective, budget friendly, and create a way to access this is by decoration and pots, plants, whether your patio is long or smart, modern, district use, pots plant, life, color, and chaptering to the space. We explore and style away to decoration your patio with pots, plants. Choose the right contains agreement plants and main interest theme to your patio look fresh and invite all year round. Choose pots plants for patio decoration. Before divide into style idea. It's wrong understanding pots plants and such as great choice for patio fixability. Pots plants can be removed around area, allow to your change the look of your patio. When even your look for smart art structure to theme pots plants often a various select of size, color and textile. Space है even in a smart patio compact or versatile Plants can mix green without take up too much room. Unlike promoting landscape pot plants and not flexibility, you can switch theme, seasoning, or term define plants without major effect. Personal extend pots come in Anley style, wood, or modern fiberglass make it easy for relax your personally. Choose the right pots. The pots is just as inspired as the plants itself. The right active complement or complement transforming the aesthetic of your patio. Here a timeless look such roof or cost effect style patio. Words plant great even than such can be true in create plants. Plants select for patio decoration. The choice of plant depend on the climax, patio size, style, perfect, where are considered. Flower plants charm with beauty, bamboo, create patio boards agreement. One you select pots and plants, Stefan.